Hello, hi, namaskara. My name is Kirtan and I am a second year medical student studying in a government medical college. Today I will be studying about the topic deglutition or swallowing. I will make sure that you understand this deglutition and the stages of deglutition by the end of this video. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more videos like this. You can also get the notes in the Telegram channel. I will provide the link below in the description. So this deglutition can be asked as a 5 markers in the board examination. So what is deglutition? It is majorly a reflexive and an involuntary mechanism. So the stages of deglutition are oral phase, pharyngeal phase and the esophageal phase. The oral phase is the only voluntary phase in this deglutition process. In this phase, the tongue presses the food to the hard palate. So by this, the food enters the pharynx and the pharyngeal phases start. So what happens in the pharyngeal phase? Pharyngeal phase is the most important phase in the deglutition process. It is the involuntary and reflex pathway. So in the reflex pathway, what and all happens? The afferent, the pharyngeal receptors are the afferents. So these pharyngeal receptors connect to the center of the deglutition which is present in the brain by 3 nerves that are trigeminal, glossopharyngeal and the vagus nerves. The centers of deglutition are nucleus tractus solitarius and nucleus ambiguous present in the brain. And the efferents are the muscles of pharynx and the muscles of tongue supplied by trigeminal, glossopharyngeal, vagus and hypoglossal nerve. You can notice that in the afferent and efferent, 3 nerves are common, that are trigeminal, glossopharyngeal and the vagus nerve. But hypoglossal nerve is extra in the efferent pathway. So in this, it is extra because there is also involvement of muscles of tongue in the efferent. So what and all happens in the events are of the pharyngeal phase. The soft palate is pulled upwards so that the entry of food is prevented into the nasopharynx. So the food is prevented to enter the nasopharynx. The laryngeal opening is also closed. This is made due to the vocal cords constriction. It helps in prevention of the food entry into the trachea, so that whenever you talk while eating, there will not be vocal cords constriction and the entry of the food will happen in the trachea and it will cause cough reflex. The respiration is reflexly inhibited. This is also called as deglutition apnea. Then there will be relaxation of the upper esophageal sphincter. So by the relaxation of the upper esophageal sphincter, the food will enter into the esophagus. Then the esophageal phase will start. Esophageal phase is the last phase in the deglutition process. Here, the primary peristalsis is initiated. This is almost 3 to 5 cm per second wave. If it is ineffective, the secondary peristaltic wave is initiated. So talking about the peristalsis from here, peristalsis can be 2 to 15 centimeters per second. Peristalsis can be 2 to 15 centimeters per second in the entire gut. But how is it influenced? It is influenced by sympathetic and non-sympathetic nerves. So this is the first one, and it is also influenced by serotonin like hormones. So sympathetic system inhibits the peristalsis process, whereas the non-sympathetic activates the peristalsis process, whereas the serotonin activates the peristalsis process. So this is the process of deglutition. I hope that you have understood the deglutition process. So that's it for this video. If you have found this video informative, please like, share and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.